Today, I'm opening my wardrobe not to change my clothes but to paint my clothes. From 20 jeans to customized t-shirt, you'll see it all in this video. This is my boring go-to jeans, so I'll have to try something less risky. Hello everyone, I don't think I've introduced myself, so hi, my name is Sitasma and welcome to my channel. I have been doing this A to Z challenge series where I do creative ideas with each letter, and today is letter F, the fabric painting. I am using a smaller round brush and a flat brush, and I hope these will be okay because it's a simple flame design in all black. I just realized that the paint could bleed through the layers, so let's place something in between. Also, this is actually my first time painting on fabric, and I do not have a fabric color, so I am using my acrylic colors, and the pen that I used are also acrylic pens. A bonus tip: if you are doing this, don't use a lot of water or you'll end up with a bleed like this. I will repeat the same process on the next side, and tada! The new paint is ready. This is how it looks and I'm quite happy with the results. Let's perform some wash test because we gotta see if the paint survives. And drum rolls please. Yes, it did. The paint looks as new. Next up, I have this plain white t-shirt that I have to paint, and this is actually a commission order. I have to paint some character on this t-shirt that I don't clearly know. If you guys know it, let me know in the comments below. So let's get started. This seems like a cool guy with a stick. I decided to outline it first with a pencil, and after the outline is completed, we will proceed with the painting. This time I have a wooden frame in between the t-shirt layers, which also holds the t-shirt in place. I painted the half background and ran out of paint. I honestly did not realize fabric would soak so much paint, so we are leaving it for now and starting with another color. Just when everything was going well, something happened. A tiny drop of paint was spilled right on the sleeve. I am a little panicked, but I hope I'll find a way to clean this up. This one feels different from the jeans. I am so scared because if I mess up, it's not even my piece of cloth. It's the next day and I'm sorry that I changed the camera angle so you cannot see what I'm doing. Let's speed up to 4x so that we finish this up fast. We finally finished the painting after around a week of jump scares and excitement and all sorts of mixed feeling. This is how the t-shirt looks, and you can follow me on Instagram for more updates. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.